Welcome back to my channel. I have a Walmart grocery haul for you guys. I thought you'd be interested in seeing a grocery haul, so I thought we'd do one today. I also have a bag of potatoes and some milk, not shown in the haul, but I did get some. So this is going to be totally random. There's only a couple meals in this and some other snacking items. So macaroni and cheese, the Space Jam one, the family size, some fun shaped macaroni. And this is for the kids. I picked this up for the kids. I got some Ode El Paso tinned flour tortillas, and these are the soft taco kind. And this we tried last night, and it's so delicious. So from Del Monte, we got bubble fruit, and it's a peach strawberry lemonade, and basically it has the peaches in there and like a lemonade kind of sweetened juice and popping boba. I think I said that right, I'm not sure. But it was delicious, and I'm definitely going to be purchasing some more of this at a different date. So also, I found this really awesome coffee creamer, cinnamon French toast, and I do prefer the liquid, but I really was intrigued. I wanted to try this. I bet it's going to be delicious. I also got another creamer. I'll show you in a minute when I get some of the code stuff out. I actually went last night and I got some of it, like I hadn't put it all away yet, so I just was like, well, I'm just going to share it. The Masterpiece Classic Steakhouse Marinade. Who of these Rice-A-Roni creamy 4 cheeses. Those are quick lunches for Connor. I got, went to get stuff for tacos. And we have this taco meat we're going to try out. Taco Complete. It has the meat, stuff, and eat. Meat, stuff, and eat. Original taco meat filling. So we were curious, and it makes 7 tacos. So we're going to have tacos. So, tacos, and I got stuff for pizza casserole. So, panini pasta, some popcorn seasoning and ranch, the meat flavored pasta sauce from Great Value, some Orville mini bags of movie theater popcorn, and we also for fun got a Jiffy Pop with the butter flavoring. So I thought that would be fun. We've done these before in the past, but it's always fun. And I got some bread. As far as freezer stuff goes, I got some of these garlic breadsticks. We got a Market Side 5 cheese breadstick and a DiGiorno 3 meat cheese stuffed crust. And I got 2 things of ground beef. I already had like 5 other meals from my last grocery trip, but I definitely wanted to pick up some things for pizza casserole, the rest of the taco stuff, and some stuff for us to have a pizza night. So technically 3 meals in this haul. Got some corn on the cob, some iceberg lettuce. I also got some canned diced tomatoes, but I did not see them on the counter. But I did pick some up. Another BLT salad. These are awesome. This is in the Santa Fe salad and the chef salad at Walmart. So good. I got a triple cheddar. Oh, and I also got a pack of pepperonis. I left them in the fridge just now. But for the pizza casserole. And Connor got one of these foodles. So it has peeled apples, cheddar crackers, and some cheese in there. And we also picked up the Go-Gurt in the Mandalorian. And that has Berry Bounty and Cherry Galaxy. How fun and how adorable. Ooh, my nails. And last but not least, besides the diced tomatoes and the pepperoni not shown and the milk and the potatoes, the last thing is I got to finally try out the M&M's coffee creamer from Coffee Mate. And I have been wanting to try this forever. The only one they had at my Walmart forever left on the shelf, no joke, is one that they didn't have a cap on or anything. And I'm pretty sure that probably never sold. So they finally had this back in stock. Anyways, that is my small grocery haul. with some snacks and about 3 meals, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyways. Thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more grocery hauls.